Hi, good evening. Welcome everyone to Post Market Analysis with Jagadish Chandran. Today we'll be discussing on what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty from here on and key levels to watch out for. Nifty, Bank Nifty spot highlights. Nifty opens around 19,288, tests the lows of 19,788 to resists around 19,880 zones to close the day for the day around 19,802, 0.05% positive for the day. Bank Nifty opened around 43,450, test the highs of 43,650 to close around 43,580 zones, 0.29% positive for the day. The advanced decline ratio stands at 1.31. Number of stocks advancing 102 versus the declines of 78. India VIX stands at 11.32, negative 4.64%. Nifty supports placed at 19,720 followed by 19,650. Resistance placed at 19,900 followed by 19,960 zones. Looking at the derivatives data, Nifty futures resistance placed at 19,940 followed by 19,980. Supports placed at 19,740 followed by 19,630 zones. Bank Nifty resistance is around 43,840, 43,900, 44,200 zones. Supports placed at 43,200 followed by 43,000, 42,800 zones. Technically, markets are in consolidation phase. It's a make or break for now. What next? 2 to 3 trading sessions will be very crucial. Crude correcting is a positive sign and is welcoming for markets. Stock specific actions to continue. And I believe our market updates is helping viewers in trading and investment decisions. If so, do hit the like button and share it to your loved ones looking for market updates. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you. Happy investing and safe trading. Take care.